Aslamoalaikum. Creamy and cheesy chicken, chatkhara boti fry. Chicken 1 kilogram. Corn flour 3 tablespoons. Maida all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Sabut red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Black pepper 1 tablespoon. Salt 1 tablespoon. Coconut powder 2 tablespoons. Cream 1 cup. Milk ½ cup. Cheese 3 piece. Kasuri methi. Mix it and freezer 15 minutes. Oil. Chicken fry. Subscribe to my channel. Oil. Garlic and ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Green chili. Sabut red chili 1 tablespoon. Milk 1 cup. Cook for 5 minutes. Cream. Fried chicken. Cheese. Cover and cook 2 minutes. Like, comment and share. Subscribe my channel. Yummy.